What if your conversations could pay your bills? Imagine being paid every time you chat with people online. In this video, I'm showing you 4 apps that actually pay you to chat. Ones Nigeria are already using, and stick around till the end because I will share the most reliable app of all, alright? Hit like and subscribe if you want to read no scam remote income ideas. So guys, when I say paid chat apps, I'm talking about app where chatting isn't just social. It is work. You earn per message, per minute, per session, or via tips, alright? You are not making content or uploading videos, you're simply chatting. And some are casual, others structured. I'll show you ones that pay and how to make sure you actually receive the money. So guys, right, and number 1 we have CloudWorkers. And CloudWorker is a platform mainly used for chat moderation or customer interaction tasks. So you reply to messages, help moderate chat, content, or assist users, alright? So guys, now most Nigerians are already using the CloudWorkers.com link, alright? So most Nigerians are already using this. So you want to build a clean profile and follow rules when you are on this website, alright? And keep response quality high to avoid ban or penalties, alright? So you can simply go through the job description right here. So guys, this is the job description, and to get started you simply want to go to CloudWorkers.com to actually create an account, alright? Right at number 2 we have TalkRoom, and TalkRoom is more conversational, right? So guys, users pay for your time in voice or text chat. It has an app in the Nigerian store on the App Store. As you can see right here, you can get the app on the App Store or Play Store, alright? So guys, to actually succeed right here on TalkRoom, guys, it is very important that you are responsive, alright, polite, and use good grammar. So profiles with better routines get more chats, invites, alright? And guys, to actually get started, guys, you simply want to go to talkroom.com, alright? So guys, as you can see right here, you get paid to chat with lonely men, strangers, and new people online, alright? So guys, this app is quite legit, and I want you to actually jump on this. So guys, make sure you actually give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are yet to. So guys, the next one on our list is simply called Premium.Chat, and Premium.Chat lets you set your rate and content of chat. Is more independent and you own your chat link, alright? And if you have a good phone internet setup, this can generate steady income, alright? And you want to make sure you set up your payout method, alright? Make sure you set it up properly, alright? As you can see right here, we have the earnings potential on the Premium.Chat. $1 per minute. As you can see right here, we have $1 per minute. And guys, as you can see, chat per day for 5 people, you're going to earn $75, and per week you are going to earn $525 per week. And as you can see right here, in a month you can earn this amount of money, alright? So guys, this is something you want to actually jump on. If you're in Nigeria, you can see make use of Premium.Chat, alright? You can still make use of the chat link if you are in Nigeria. So take note of that, guys. So make sure you subscribe, you do so, alright? And the last on our list we have ChatRecruit, and it offers both text-based and webcam chat. As you can see right here, we have webcam jobs, phone chat line jobs, psychic chat jobs, babe channel jobs. So guys, and you can earn with the walls services for adult and psychic chat hosts, and get a $10 bonus on your first payday. So guys, so to actually get started, you just want to click on start earning, alright? So guys, you can simply go through this. You can actually make money using this platform, alright? So guys, make sure you always use correct and polite English. Keep working across multiple apps, and don't rely on just one, alright? You have to document every payout, alright? So just in case you need proof and you want to understand what no degree required really means, alright? And often you still need a clean profile, good communication, and passing verification. And also you want to avoid any app that asks you to pay upfront, alright? So please guys, take note of that. So guys, these are 4 legit apps that pay Nigerians to chat. So which one feels right for you? I want you to drop your answer in the comments, and I will help you start. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe so you don't miss my next video, alright? So guys, I want you to go to the description for the links to the apps and our community links. Join us for daily remote job updates, alright? So guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.